Yo, ebusia ya san ababium aha the fabulous zone. So the last 2 weeks, ye chire mo no aha de share dia Kumasi asante kotoko nsem kwa na ebetwa egu we fidie we so. And your guest ye be ebetwetwe nkomo mse ohia se be kan nsem bebre obi enim no dada. Eba no kotoko NCC mun nsem ni kotoko nsem bia obi enim nada. Your guest for today, this afternoon, Nii Darko Seth, the PRO for Accra, Greater Accra, NCC. Ni akwaba.
Yeah.
You see, why ain't he? Apachapo one.
Adum na monzo
okay, bibia aboko. You know, I didn't come backstage a check. Afina. You person no twetwe nkomo kakra bi na ehwe nsema ekoso kumata transport. Mse last week ye share wo Chairman Chris office. Na ye chairman no ma ye person you about the NCC. First of all, ye person you about database no na say Chairman Chris officer ye no through social media. So person organize kotoko farms no. Na ye nyina yetimi ye well organized. Na ban contribution bi na match attendance bi na de na ye nyina yetimi akwahye homa. Nti person bisa o say database ni ekosen. What are the measures pound person would organize fans no?
Me da say no so there odi kan no kotoko no club kesi ayi nyina ye dom ye sun kotoko ye support kotoko. Now it's a shame say as we speak the be di wo ye hu say ye were 8 million, ye were 10 million supporters, but on paper it is not there, and scientifically you can't defend it. Say empire 8 million or 10 million supporters. What shows? The BNH, it is not documented. And Chairman Christopher, in one of his manifesto promises now, during the last year's campaign, before the election, almost about Obesha na that database, say the way other clubs near other groups benefiting from those things, we can do same. And as we speak, NCC now to an be brave. Somewhere a week or two ago, who samples on social media and other platforms are church the way I pass to Accra. You see, go with those days, everything is manual. You say, okay, sunlight. Now, yes, say, okay, I remember when Chairman K5 was in office. He started be can maybe I could be. They could be what them say. It's a supporters have a salary, yes, but with this, with this current administration, they want to do it purely online. Digital. Into no TV can now for phone now. Oba na say registration ni bibia ubenye bia no na saka ewo mo nti no o ma bibia hopefully no o say kotoko no mpanyifo ewo ho. Nti NCC no to mean sorry keke say ye koye bibia on board amane. So now that we have board of directors around no I understand say NCC no epese obushia board no on board amane where they've gotten to and what they want to do, then they can roll it out. Until gradually no NCC no mobilize as soon as possible no it will come up for the supporters to know. Okay, na ba no saade na with regards to short course na no me hu eyi bi ba out next year dial star 77 some short code be oba you fill some forms be online like ebeba minim networks ni nyina. I don't know, is it for all networks? Is it still functioning, that short code no? A sample, it is not functioning now. A sample for the buy until I would can say well my download and I my access because it's not accessible for now. A sample on say almost the project number will be a nipano those samples no na you have to say a bit to me Eddie I do my sense is accept here, then we move on. It's a sample about bunting. I believe in the hope say as soon as Obenya the go ahead or the green light to move on, the code accepted and accessible by all no bunting. But as to whether it is for all network, no, I will not be in a position to say that for now.
Okay. I want to say last week, let me question about with the digital mobilization. Omo yanhwe ye a yentimi nya omo ye those who are not on the social media platforms.
Yes.
Na me bisa secrets ba mpesa so chiremu ye measures ben pa na nti ya say omo mu ni digital platforms so bit me nyom because some do so pa eto da upia taxi drivers ne mu bebe use yam ne ade omo no obeti kotoko nsama radio na waso
sure
nti ye beden so mobilize omo mo nyom nyina pepepe
see say na medical aka no ba o mesi ye benya dodo na ewo online womo a omo ni online on social media no I hope say NCC will come out with a roadmap. Certainly we have to move out.
Sure.
In fact, say a ball league. Kotoko. Before the game, no, or on the day of the match, no, we can arrange and then register our supporters, especially those who are not on social media or any of the WhatsApp platforms. No, we can do that. Say that we can NCC now you be there. What I say, we were moving from one station, one radio. Past a lorry station to another. What you say? In fact, we had it. We had supporters. On match days, yes, I didn't. So I know, say, so being social media, that doesn't mean say that person cannot be a member or a card-bearing member or supporter of the club. No. So say your committee, no, say they are paying for kind. Aside. There be no online no there will be manual registration too. I know so no we'll be moving from one region to another, one district to another, one constituency to another, and then register our supporters because we can't leave them out.
It's a project so pa.
A very big project.
Because me here kasi am so mo meeting ko kasi.
Yeah.
Am ka say ya back academy ntimi mba binti no. Ntimi anye. Na say sisi ade no kumasi de na ekoso.
Yeah, kumasi.
After kumasi the next be himfa.
Once I much emu too. Southern sector and then northern sector. The southern last week yes and then almost northern sector no. Northern sector they comprise from Sunyani, Takrade, Cape Coast and Cape Coast Akaye home. Yeah, but yeah, Sunyani other parts of Ashanti region are there and almost and there. So I want to believe say from there no NCC will come out because say mobilize these two groups now, southern sector and northern sector now. I think it will be enough for us to sell out the message to the supporters, and then the masses of Asante Kotoko supporters will buy into it.
Project with the me I bomb pipe as because all this work Kotoko, you need that database no. So they kind they are not the most fans or mining a band of fans they are Kotoko near the idea, but it need be hard to show. It's any day say Bapa de anka say Chris and the winya plus pa.
You see Christopher it is nipa bebre nipa friend Christopher Damenyano. I have worked with him and I know who he is. He is one person when he decides said this is what I'm going to do
fully focused.
He is that type, he will do it. Until he achieves that then nobody can stop him from doing that. So the manifesto said this is what I'm going to do no. Pray na yembo mpaye say nakopo me na wonde ne nkwa because Sebano resource there he's well resolved to do whatever he wants to do, and this is achievable with the help of the executives and even with the supporters around. If we are able to embrace it we'll move forward. Debia make Kotoko no enye bakufu adwuma uye Kotoko adwuma mo fancy with so o di tu abeti say the beya obi so betimi abo yes Christopher the Beba the executive said the Beba, but what are we supposed to do? You as a supporter, me as a supporter, what am I supposed to do? You will have a role to play. You have a role to play. I have a role to play. Those watching us also have a role to play. Oti ena I was to be control bi obeno nimia nebusueni then it is going. What I say Ghana has a nipa mienu miensa enan enum eti asembia what I say. So it is a collective responsibility on all of us. So we have to embrace it and then move it on.
Okay. Tisia, response. What's the response? How are the fans taking it?
It's amazing. Look, last week you meeting by reports can cry, yeah, posting on other social media platforms, even my Facebook page. They will say, we are waiting. We are waiting. Good move. We are waiting. We are
Nii Darko group was Facebook.
Strong, yes.
Yeah, strong room.
Strong room platform. Okoha. I posted it there, and you can see the way our supporters receiving that news. You know, so the response is massive, and it is something that every Kotoko supporter is yearning or expecting that it will happen, and they are happy this thing is finally coming to fruition, and we will make it.
Sure. We part the Chairman Chris. Project with the fabulous zone crew no your boy abaso papa your boy abaso project we it has been long overdue I think kumwasa tanko ko itiminya ade we nya wetiminya vision bi dia abaso person is in the fabulous zone any crew ni na your share that mount special you say why ade pa mo any adwuma yes aka bi ma high the fabulous zone ye ne Nii Darko PR for the Greater Accra NCC and I in the gym common. Yes, I can be Blue Diamond Hotel and I in the discussion. Do our person who Blue Diamond Hotel no back Accra, Taifa. We be Blue Diamond Hotel, Mr. Accra and baby crab bit me actually Blue Diamond Hotel. You're quite next topic so no share. Near perceive see you read about the database, no you read about NCC and Kasanka. You say the support base site is recognized by Minshia. And no dear to say Minshia take it very serious. And the power NCC one, I don't know to compare the previous old times. Now say I don't know personally in America no. I say back from Kakra. First not the NCC power no do to me you know. I don't know what's happening. And see now person me be about NCC no. We have 3 questions in one. First of all, Greater Accra NCC Greater Accra saying how many NCCs circles na wo Greater Accra and you 1 2 how many are functioning here kasa see how many na functions they function on meeting regular meetings and the beba no so and a third the any functioning no what is the NCC doing to revive those circles now it's not functioning no
NCC no a National Circles Council, but Greater Accra a Greater Accra Regional Circles Council. Regions mean a Regional Circles Council. NCC no the mother body, the umbrella of all the circles. Into Greater Accra your Regional Circles Council, and circles are almost forming the region. Now Greater Accra we have 21 circles. In total, we have 21 circles. Currently, about 16 of them are functional.
Okay.
When we responded to meetings and whatever we ask them to do.
Okay. So about 5.
Yeah, about 5. Then we have other supporters group. I feel now or your nature no circle because the mom circle number.
Okay.
What I say, almost about colleague on campus, for instance, we have other supporters group there. About name, for instance, we have another supporters group there. And so about those your circle 300 our name, but the other groups are almost forming around. Now, sir, Usha, you see, Ceciano. The day we are the aircon. When you talk about meeting, it's not necessarily having somebody in person, say face to face, physically. We are meeting here. What I say, because those days, who said that those days no. Say it's a weekend. There's a Saturday, Sunday in our here. But as we speak, mostly there's nothing like weekend. Almost every day. Into family say, and now Saturday, and now Sunday. It's your meeting. One thing here, over free say, be no one encouragement to move encouragement or be encouragement. What I say, but groups are trying to have meetings online.
Okay.
And that is happening.
Sure.
What I say, and you see, the most important thing is that the Regional Circles Council executives will sit down. Decide on something, just give it to the supporters or the leadership because each and every circle has its leadership. Ultimately, the leadership now, they will give it to their members, then they act upon it or the directives now. No, they are functioning, they are doing very well, and I don't think sir, I be fresh circle with chairman and now executive member BR say this is what we are doing. I will say I will not be part. I will say we are advancing and we need to do that in this modern world. The BR digital, the BR online, and at the end. And then I think say our supporters are doing very well. Say one more function.
That's about 5.
Yes, we are trying to. In fact, we are trying to even get more circles in Greater Accra, because when it comes to Greater Accra Regional Circles Council, we are one of the powerful regions. If not, we are one of the powerful regions.
Okay.
What I say, and look, social results are here achieved with Greater Accra, kotoko, whenever the thing comes here.
Yeah.
And even voter in Eastern region, we have combined all these regions and make sure say we'll get something for the club, and we are doing it. So their supporters are cry. I can open so many WhatsApp groups and messages for you. People are calling that we should come. Even Tashi, for instance, we are organizing members day. Me announcement just about 3, 4, 5 days ago that we are trying to form a circle in Tashi.
Okay.
Ebi ni Nungwa, ebi ni Labade, ebi ni Usu. From Nima, the next circular ubehu Etema.
Hey, Enemua.
What you say?
Enemua.
Now it will be our Tashi, our Toronto Washington Bay Hall, a Fred Junction Hall. But a good. You see, I try to say about revive that particular circle. Look, the announcement, less than a week, I have a 270 response.
Wow.
Of kotoko supporters that even because I just say nyama labade ya and nyama nungwa ya and I fa nungwa labade for nyina nka ho. Na be common meeting ground. Na ya start your meeting wo ho. My imagine say in the course of the week mepe meeting place be nanka ya start your meeting So you can see how serious supporters are when it comes to Asante Kotoko. So NCC Regional Circles Council JRCC you try say any circles ebekasa any supporters within that area circles akofem kakra no mukasa na omumwa omunim supporters omuya within.
Okay.
What I say wo ha unim supporter or Kotoko supporter or area mu ha. So we are talking to them. We'll get them back on track. Not only about the 5 circles, but we are making sure say other places are. So can you COVID in here? I can tell you say more circles. Abeka they are hold. Until we are working on all these things.
Okay. So what should the aye dysfunction is here now? What are the causes? Because we say in the circle we now so pa the beer weekend their meeting. All of a sudden, the national circle na jegu. A damn pan AC.
A very big topic. What I say, a question we know, a very, very big. There are so many factors. There are so many factors. Let me start from the top.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to the support, the executives leading the supporters, many at times, you nature people. We don't nature people who will succeed us when we are not there.
Okay.
We don't do it.
Okay.
I must be honest with you.
Okay.
What does our level no? I was saying the potential in another person in another circle.
Such a grooming no.
Who grooming no? What you say? Gradually no. Na nipa na there. Oba nti say who ni ho. Who say this person is capable of taking over.
Easily.
But we don't do it. So in our absence, so that is 1. 2, the leadership. I'm not talking about only Greater Accra, but it has been a problem to all of us across the country and as well. The autocratic way of leading or leadership, sometimes we feel say, the head, into okasa final. That attitude, it kills people's spirit. We have a meeting, okasa wonfa. We can we also there be una we chairman, una we PR, una we secretary, una we financial secretary. Okay, ochina ma meeting no biom. Intebiri wo ha, omo di yawdie na efi omo meet omo cycles no mu. That is another point. The other one is we sometimes do selective justice. We do selective among our members. And then we end yourself. Because I have down for Nintendo, we mobilize supporters. We do what you support. But actually, to me, because me are down for Nintendo.
We are relaxing.
No, relaxing. Me the idea be cancel no more. What you say? Me maybe. And now, aside that, no, kotoko supporters or money edim pa.
Sure, papa.
Inti eba na kwentu a supporters kotoko supporters 2 coin pa. Kotoko supporters omo 2 coin pa. Me use me circle 2. Kwa dia example. Yen chairman a yewo e former chairman Mr. Boama. Ne nua na na oye yen chairman. Me no ka say or US. Inti okon na chairman Boama take over.
Okay.
Boama take over no ofi ho na Inko Joseph be take over. Inko Joseph vice Samuel Safo, me no ka say or US.
Ono so tukwan.
What okọ? Inko Joseph say no owo Kede because it no was neat. Ya transfer no Kede. So what happens at cycle 2? One head empemifo ni nyina no.
Omo nyina ekọ. Te ba sa de o kan no omo mbesase di omo no.
Eni ho. What you say another factor. And largely no ejuma ha adwen. Supporter no onye ejuma. Onya ya anka obeyi di aboa. Oni bi ebi ni ho. They say it's monthly dues. Nipa no onye ejuma okofo dues no we have betua. On pen ngwa se o ma we free. Enti na chairman Chris Baye no. O see obehwe say every region bia no obetu borehole ama region no. Integrated Accra for instance no say ya pa ba bia nso ho odin pa na yakotu borehole ho. Circle e wo ho no. Ono we manage that borehole no in the name of the region. Enti skabia be bia no percentage wo ho a odema region no. Kakrako national dia ka no omo di share omo ho. Enti se skawo circle no more say won fa bed no koto members so what did they make na say they say beko Africa oh kotoko bo match wo kuma say e say nyina yeko transport 100 cedis in and out. It is only few who can afford, and you can't always rely on your leadership. Oh, Chairman Chris or Hunter for Basis in Maya, you can't always do that. He's a human being. And you know goodness in the dorsal. But says project na no a month no say and I realize here say na way conference and I be instead of 100 cedis no mudi mofa 30 mra na 70 cedis no nka ho. It is better a supporter will go. What did the American do you know a very difficult and dicey issue I was say yet to me manage na yet transit
na se sia na ko ban senti ye jane sa because problems with na waka no ade ni nyina ho da o e de ankofo be free ankofo be tu kwan eyi ejuma sem bem sa na me nyina ho nti timi si anhwe ma eyina ngu sa ade na ebetimi aye dia stop gu na egu na in fact ebi mo ma be ka ho. We
need to change that attitude. Enti that make say ebi na Chairman Chris asha here all ye se skawo group no mo a bedding and na me bia so a na ne beje weba onko tenafi me wo horses here. I have 2-3 people gradually no me ni wo mo we share ideas when they speak or when they post on platform. Say no, don't do it this way, don't post it that way, do it that way, because when they say I can't be the original PRO forever.
Yeah,
I will certainly leave. Obi so beba I be taking over. So what do? You have to nurture the person. You have to groom him or her so that in your absence, you know, I have a very big platform. Me na me president but sometimes you can join meeting. They say vice take over. I'm not trying to be.
Oh, channel.
Yeah. Now me no chat in private. Ask this question. Don't ask that one.
Okay.
Respond like this. Don't respond that. Don't respond. Leave this one. What I say? What am I doing? I'm trying to put that confidence in him.
Yeah.
What I said the bear. I mean, the group will not be found wanting. So gradually, no, we are doing it. But say, uje to say, where you mistake, awuye na unim say enya na ujetu say was say that is the first thing, that's the best way. Attitude did not change, you need to change your attitude. So what's the obia best, that is life. And say then members then I also no my chance on the round table, what is the problem? We say who hear me say sir, yeah, sorry, I'm from Jimmy. Can say what bro wants say when you are a leader, you are there to serve, not to be served.
Sure.
That is what we are supposed to know. But as officer, oh, who there? Can be okay? You will fail. You will fail. You know, I was saying, you know, I just say yes, so what I say now, you have to make control. This is a human institution. You can't get everybody 100%.
Okay, circles, no, na first na powerful pa. I know, I remember past circles. It me say circles let me adopt a player, be a certain player. Say player we die, ni sika sem ni salaries, ni nyoma bia na circle na fa no so. So no na betua. Sade npacho ebi da so. This time, that's all.
Currently, no anyhow.
All the regions across the country. All the circles across the country.
I remember a Brown Regional Circles Council somewhere a year or two ago. They say every year they are almost from players now. Almost fifth region member kotoko. Now, but say individual be player say this player. And that circles no. If a player said this player you're born hokano. And let me tell you the reason why. Look. The leadership is being lazy.
Okay.
I am part of them.
Okay.
We are being lazy.
Okay.
Meaning opportunity every city one man be. Our opportunity savings and loan. Current CEO. Our Accra. Oh, you staunch kotoko supporter. That person cannot always come to circle meetings. These people are there. Go to them. What do I say? There were people, great, big supporters who are with these corporate bodies, corporate entities. Approach them, go there. Bank of Ghana, do you know Circle 2? Circle 2, number Circle 2 never home. Not Circle 2, no, a number, a supporters are more Bank of Ghana. Yes. Not Circle 2, no, a number.
Bank of Ghana?
Yes.
Wow.
Not supporters, do you think, sir, if you have such personalities, oh, Bank of Ghana. Oh, yeah, 5,000.
How many members is here? Oh.
Each
Bank of Ghana. Oh.
What do you say? But they just aren't following you now. Accra Central Police Station. Only said I was supporters group. You just aren't following you now. Make up Papa no office and say, look, the money is there in our individuals' pockets. How do you retrieve it?
It must be organized. And no one on this can be about.
Yanko, Obi so far no kwa. Okoji a on massacre no.
And then can't you
be trust in the Obi ni sika. Baku mienu miensa de mawo. Na want to be accountability.
On mabiem obi sa na mfiu.
Kwa on fiu bio.
And then okay.
It is akofo nyina no. O matsada. When you approach them, in a many papa you kokasaya, many them. The office wow. A PF in the office and the deputy. That's where kotoko. So the CEO is a kotoko supporter, the deputy is a kotoko supporter. And quickly I make sure mobile. Me platform so. Platform strong room no. Facebook strong room. Yeah, what's our platform?
Okay.
Them. Many WhatsApp platforms I might say. I was on register platform no idea or register general. But my effort no musika. Sometimes in the head is on Benya Saskan. Me know what say. Within 2 weeks, they could try fully our registrar general department. I'm telling you. Strong room. Wow. You could try BBR.
Wow.
Actually, in the next 1 or 2 weeks, the group no fully registered. Then you can take your certificate to MTN.
Wow, exclusive on the Fabulous Zone, exclusive. Muntie niye. Pacho de kind of sense to be
strong room. You create Facebook no na suggestion bi ba say yes create WhatsApp platform no yeah we share strong room na kasana it's about 2 months ago na you create Facebook account no and so we have about 1,700 people there now on the strong room Facebook account. You be create WhatsApp platform no just about 2-3 weeks ago or let's say a month and I create WhatsApp platform no some people for me on board no omo boa ama na me no ka say I think the last Friday Thursday Friday and I call register general department I go to NCC nyina
wow
I go to ye particulars nyina ma oma omo register group no what platform no na eno no be ma wanya sa honde no o de ko MTN officer since I register group no to me ama o SIM card a common SIM card in the name of the platform.
I ba no sikajije bia obi a betu akoso
eno no who send the tendency there you recognize
a verified account
and any individual bia bottom ma accountability
ko pepepe
assured and yes answer you build the confidence of your members as we speak. I have about 300 people on my telephone numbers that didn't already and they are just forcing me for them to be added on the strong room platform but I'm being careful. One year so now the sound microphone be become group. We are working for Kotoko and we need to get only Kotoko supporters. So we are supporters not because you are just a supporter. I am looking for a participant, somebody who will participate.
Sure.
You shouldn't be a spectator.
Yeah,
no, I don't need a spectator on the platform. Intimation no a spectator. Me ma utu with Mr. Diwa. That's all no. May you have a platform so. Because I believe in few who are quality than the masses who are quantity.
Sure.
And this is what we are doing. So the money is there. It is there. People are sitting on it. Look. Oh, Alaji Lamini. Now say you're appointing the board member of Asante Kotoko. If I should tell you the number of players who goes to the man's office every day, it will surprise you. The money the man spends on people. So me there, me are very close to him, so I normally go to his office.
Okay.
And see all these people. Do you think, say to me and bring all these people on board? They can't help us. I just be at two club so management. It is a management and to me and pay for me pay now you blame me. You as an individual, what have you done? And I think that we have to rise up again.
Since it's Nijuma Wumpa.
Oh no. Eduma Wumba. So vibrant leadership. Eduma no easy.
Nimfa me mo mitimi imagine pa say una Accra yen fan say bia te seteshia na da braka baby na be hu say kotoko secretariat ni si hoi e bia kotoko de kotoko logo flag na design no kotoko signboard siwo every weekend ya meeting open meeting na official officer omoye meeting no I think that it will even attract more people to come but secretariat da ben NCC because NCC is watching.
Okay, Greater Accra now.
Greater Accra. Also, it's what PR for Greater Accra. It's not limited to Greater Accra. Accra, you be saying befitting office because say higher official office for the NCC.
Enche. Not we there. I don't know say the original chairman.
Exclusivity. The fabulous zone. That's exclusive.
I can tell you, sir. Chairman Christopher, I'm a Greater Accra Regional Circles Council office.
Wow.
I feel I hear decorate me here.
Wow.
Enche, I bet me actually say we a Greater Accra Circles officer.
Wow. Big move.
Yeah.
Big move.
In fact, on the my Accra, Emrea Bemukakra. But now, Ahubuano. See, my officer, you don't expect the person to say, oh no.
Some may move yes, how
na nkaka na Kwame a regional chairman no na on his own or you na yeso ye bo akaka but I can tell you say HBA better Greater Accra Regional Circles Council in your office
na say a chairman Chris ne area of the NCC we are going to see a new NCC all together
Oh yes.
Across board.
Oh yes. And American culture say is the type of kotoko pa. Enti oye bibi edi bua kotoko a enye ne ya. So no chira kwan kotoko fa so edi bua na enye se obi na ko fa ska share no botomo. O se okote mahabo. Ni niam be ka okote mahabo. Wa di chira sa enye yi. Oko opanyin bi office okote mahabo. Kasa papa no pesa obed release dia mana mano ena Christopher is okay it's our bread so pesa obetie na ene oyi ni job card ni ID card nti oyi ni office card no dia ma papa no ena ni registered kotoko ID card efi mutoye ena papa no
na say the one shada mistake na kotoko card ni tofom
Pasada. So no say brand no kotoko ni. Ofa ka papa ni we kotoko ni. Oh, fatu oko otabeje ogus no. Eh. Oda me say Christopher, wakasa somewhere waka into say yes car people don't understand, they don't know the reason why. But he has his reasons. And this is one of the reasons. What did I make an answer? Sanity, Antino, yea, at tea bebre, Cotocono.
You should see ya. You
call ye be on one. Now, lady now, you can find no share papa no, CC no, na dear no. Not so soda water. A dear son, I can't stop back. You do what my minister. Upon on ton, I dear no my. The group historic building is Nii Darko, Mr. Boss. I don't know who you think is around. I say about the unpaid from our me and Yaka.
Like that.
Like that. It is a what's the name called the Makotokwa?
I didn't sound ye.
Me, yeah. My benefit is so much in Asante Kotoko. With this administration, I know say Christopher is capable of doing it. If he is not able to do it, then it may be the fault of the people around him. But he's more than willing. I'm telling you, he's more than willing to do that. Now, at the time I'm NCC chairman, no yet. Otaka and chair players, he gives to every Kotoko supporter. Other players in the Czech club, no. Oh no, Anna Kotoko Besha house. That Muhammad the Muta Besha house one day away back past me.
Sulama or fan and Arsenal.
500 million, 50,000 Ghana cedi. Or the Czech, I know some farm. Educo Fiesta Royal. Okoye dinner no mawo. So answer of NCC chairman no krano.
We didn't catch us.
So see obey yen and say bono. Yam one no come to me.
Okay.
So you will do it.
Until we share the old administration, you know, and then the chairman K5, and then the now share difference between the room. And I won't person.
No, we shouldn't even try doing that.
Okay.
Chairman, sir, Obi call us na chairman K5 eba. Ono so do betumi aye no. Obeye Christopher Ba. The ono do go ni manifesto mu say obeye no. And no na supporters. E di be hwe no. E di be carry no. Till the time so a. So we should rather pray for him say the waka say obeye no. Obetumi aye. The obi abeye ekono de sanka oba ye na NCC na gu a.
Onya bibi.
Obe controlling why. So obi a maintain na man. Say the partner just shuka na we maintain the group no. Ama na we fa odi year now. So for this administration woman ya there this no. Obi abeye ni dey come so let's move forward.
Okay. Thank you very much. The fabulous zone so any say ha hitiye pa. The greater Accra NCC PRO Nii Darko Seth either yenya ne discussion we say monyan some information mu here bi about the NCC name say we biem acheche ni nyina mu nsem biara we hear about the NCC na dey ewurem Blue Diamond Hotel and I be di enadwumadi no so dey tie na the fabulous zone by porcupines for porcupines.